Welcome to the Accessibility Services video tutorial on the University of Waterloo Assignment Planner. In this video, we will demonstrate how to access and use this tool to help you complete your assignments in an efficient and timely manner. The Assignment Planner is a free tool that you can access using any mobile web browser, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. You can access this program through the Accessibility Services Learn course or directly through the UWaterloo Library website at the following link. The Assignment Planner is an online tool that breaks down research and writing projects into manageable steps based on your due dates. It offers 8 different project models that you can choose from that relates to your specific assignment. Those options are an annotated bibliography, lab report, research essay, STEM poster presentation, policy brief, literature review, critical reflection, and article review. Each model has a description of the project, a text box to assign a beginning and due date for the assignment, and steps to complete. In addition, each step is broken down into sub-steps that have specific time allocations as well as other guidelines, tips, prompting questions, and additional resources to support the assignment process. For this video, we will be demonstrating the Research Essay Planner, but each of the options follow a similar template. Once you select your preferred assignment option, you will see initially a general description of the project type we are completing, as well as links to visual representation of a project timeline and a project checklist. Next, there's a text box with the option to select the start date and the due date for the assignment. These dates can be updated as needed if deadlines change or you are delayed in starting your assignment. Next, you will also find the steps you will need to complete to finish your assignment. You can click on any of them to expand that section and see the additional information provided. Before looking at the steps, we will first choose the start and due date for our research essay. As an example, I will begin the assignment on August 1st and insert a due date of August 31st. As soon as I click on Create Plan, the Assignment Planner will calculate the number of days that I have before my paper is due and assign a deadline to each step of the process. There is an option to add this information to your Google Calendar as well by clicking on the calendar icon above the Your Steps section. This will open another tab that will redirect you to the Google Calendar, where you can edit or modify your next deadlines for this paper according to your needs and provide you with notifications. Once you've selected the dates for your assignment deadline, you can review each step of the project. When you select Step 1, a new section will expand with sub-steps for your assignment. On the top right side of the section, an estimate of how much time you should spend on this step will be shown as a percentage. For instance, the Step 1 of a research essay should take you around 10% of the time that you have available to complete the assignment. In addition, each sub-step displays a percentual number so that you are also aware of how much time you will need to complete each one of them. Each step follows the same structure, and the Assignment Planner will provide you with a breakdown of how much time you should spend on each section. You will also receive helpful descriptions of what needs to be completed and useful resources and tips within each step. As an example, under Sub-Step D in Step 1, you have a link to more information on how to develop a research question. Under Step 5, you also have more tips that will help you when it comes to writing your essay. The Assignment Planner is a great resource to support your planning and completion of your course assignments. It can be used as a general guide for planning out your timeline, but also provide you with extremely helpful resources each step of the way. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any additional questions or would like to discover additional resources to help you with your assignments, visit our Learn course or connect with our drop-in center.